And we start. Welcome to the weekly game development stream. So then, into Godot. Just a short reminder, whoever might be watching this content somewhere in the future, we are developing a Muse-DAS style rhythm game in Godot. And today we are just doing some kind of cleaning up, polishing, adding some missing features. So let's see. To do for today. There is one beat chart which has been kind of broken for ever, at least like half a year. There is a minor glitch at the end of the chart, and I want to repair that. Then pretty easy stuff. That's just like adding few MIDI nodes in a MIDI data, and that's it. That's for the first one. The second one is main menu. I want to change the color of the panels as the player is hovering around. We tried that last week, but it wasn't that amazing. Third point. There was something bigger than that. Ah, yes, okay, of course. Introduction, animation, add credits. That might be the most funniest task to do. Then what we need is find suitable font. Because I feel like we don't have that. But we will find one. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's go in that order. I guess this is plenty enough for 2 hours plus. So then what we need is just to be on the safe side. Not showing my file system to the world. Software. I should really make a shortcut for that software. This will be a really easy fix. Let's see if I have it here on the run. It should be this. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, and the problematic concerns this MIDI track. Oh yes, it's right there. You see, I have the opportunity to have the player and the ghost of the player so that I can, or the player can hit enemies in parallel. And this is controlled by this line right here, this high girl. And here we have enemies coming in parallel. These mini nodes trigger the enemies, or enemy spawning. So what is essentially missing is really this, or actually this. Okay, this is fine. These are just singular nodes. They're not in parallel, so they can be smashed as they are. That's okay. Yeah, I guess that was it. That was the fix. It was last edited 19th of September. Okay, well, okay, well, one more thing on the list. If we have time, experiment with the Alright, that's it. Okay, we have on the run .mid reloaded, so let's try that. As a warm-up exercise. And then we go do some coding, just a little bit. Okay, all good. Okay, but there is, I recognize one thing which is off, and that is check. Sound effects. Sound effect for metronome. Okay, then main menu. Okay, there was actually one more glitch on the sound effects. Okay, now we have a good to-do list. So then, main view, no, main menu. And we're talking about song panels. Song panels, song panels, song panels, song panels, song panels. And last time we actually did this. We actually accomplished this. But I say it's a no-go. Hey, IG. Dancing gummy bears. Dancing gummy bears. It was a nice game you played yesterday. I tried to look it up. I guess I missed somehow the name of the game. Inscription, no? Yeah. I think I found just the 3D version of it. Let me see. How's Sunday? It's almost like all the Sundays before. It's been fine. It's been fine. Inscription. Yes, what I found is this game here. Inscription. And this looks way more fancier. It's like in 3D style. I guess I missed something. Oh, there's a 2D too. Okay. Ah, all right. I understand. So it's like in old Mario games, Super Mario Bros. 2 and 3. I guess you get something more if you play the whole game through. I understand. Okay. Oh, that's fancy. Good reviews. Yeah, it's been pretty normal weekend. Yesterday I baked scones for the first time ever. I guess that's British. British thing. It's almost like sweet bread, something like that. And today, me and my son, we went to play table tennis, which we have already done for some time, and my son already got like a better racket. And that was very fun. Yeah, scones. How is it called? Scone. Scone. Yeah, this sort of stuff. I'm not entirely sure what kind of filling you have to put there in there. We had just some different sort of marmalades. But it was, well, my wife loved them. I was like, okay, 3 out of 5 stars, all right. 3 out of 5 stars. They're like, okay, yeah, I can eat them every now and then, like 1 or 2. My wife's like, okay, give me the rest, give me the rest. Okay, zak, yum, yum, yum. So, yeah, good to know if the Mother's Day is coming at some point. And then yesterday evening, I did some karaoke just by myself, just by sitting here next to my computer and opening YouTube and typing in karaoke, and then just taking the first song and the second song and whatever YouTube would recommend me. I just try to, sing along. That was fun too. Yeah, it's been okay. I have to admit, it's been a bit more funnier weekend than usual. So that's in a nutshell weekend up to this point. Are we gonna have a gingerbread man stream again this Christmas? Who knows? Maybe. Maybe there will be even some kind of anniversary stream. Like, I guess the last gingerbread man stream or this baking stream was part of some kind of anniversary stream. That would be cool. It would be super cool to, combine all kind of crazy stuff, like maybe multiplayer games, baking gingerbread. And if the request is high enough, then maybe even singing karaoke. So hype. Yeah. I used to play also table tennis. Yeah, it's super fun. It's nice that you can like start from zero and you can play it. Don't need to rehearse that much, but it becomes more fun and more fun the more you play. Mrs. Dev is secretly British. Yeah, undercover agent. I have some ideas to make a game after you made a tank game. You inspired me and now I'm overwhelmed. Oh, don't be overwhelmed, please. Take it easy. But that's cool if you get some ideas. I mean, I have also too much going on. I'm planning to do next some YouTube videos out of this project, sharing some knowledge which I've been gathering. Yeah, the tank game should somehow be polished a little bit. Then this game should be finalized. So I would say I start cracking this problem here, which shouldn't be too bad, I think. Yeah, okay, so back to focus mode. So what I want to do is somewhere is a panel container. And the panel container has style box and background color. And instead of using this animation highlight thing, I will just change the color, background color from gray to this. What is this? Teal, I guess. Still learning Blender for my main game, and also shopping list game will have an upgrade. Oh, hype. Then I'm getting all these dream game ideas. There's a lot of H's and A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 A's. So many ideas and so little time. That's pretty much always the case. But luckily, well, at least in the Western world, here in Austria, the Christmas holidays are around the corner, and that means much more time, much more sleep, much more energy, much more time. Good, yeah. Try not to distract you. You know that you are allowed to do that anytime, but now I will do my best to work through the to-do list. So, what I need to figure out is how to change these styles. Because we have here theme overrides, we have styles, we have the style box flat, and we have background color, and that's something I've never done. Hopefully more streams. Yeah, maybe. Always have great time in your streams. Oh, that's nice. I'm glad if you have great time. Such distract. Oh, come on. I just think about this business, live coding on Twitch. All right, it's kind of like, you know, those. I'm getting distracted again, but you know, it's like in army. Some of the guys, they put like lead vests and lead weights in their arms and legs, and they do training with those lead weights so that they get much quicker, and when they get those weights off, they're like super fast and super agile. This is exactly that kind of training. Internet is just bombing at some point. Some days, well, not that much, but at some days they're like boom, 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 boom. Don't take it personally, AG. You are not the lead weight. I don't know. Okay, let's try to do something. So we have the highlight color, and what we want to do is we want to just to change the color just here, and maybe put also like, well, normal color, and that is this hex value? I hope. It looks funky. 454545 51. Happy to be one tough. Good. All right. All right. All right. So then, what we need to figure out is how to change this color in code. Let's see, styles, or do we have some kind of fancy, nice function which returns the styles? Just theme overrides and styles. Well, we have theme. There's nothing in it. We do have add theme stylebox override, and I think that is the function equivalent for this UI shenanigan. So, yeah, this seems quite difficult given the small change we want to make, but I guess, I hope there is, alright, there is get time style box. No. Oh, wait. These are the overrides. All right, let's just oh, I'm so lost. There's so many functions and I'm not sure which one I need. Look at this. What bothers me here is We have these functions, we have this UI thing, and I just need to go dig out this thing. And we do have a function for that, hopefully. What was it? Yeah, this get theme style box. But I don't know what to input here to the name. Because here we just have styles, panel, style box flat. There is no name. So let's see. And I want to check out the panel container. Theme style box. Panel. Alright, yeah, maybe it's panel. Theme type. I have no idea. It's per default, it's empty. Alright, let's see what we get. Or I just run and see if there is an error. Okay, no. Looks good. And then style box, and in style box oh well, oh yeah, this is style box, and it should be style box flat. And there we have background color. Let's see. Okay, looks good. This is exactly what we need. Nice. This is really just a trial and error thing. So when the mouse enters, well, style box. Background color will be normal color. No, highlight color. Highlight color. Style X G color. Normal color. Oops, yeah, we need that reference. Oh, you know what? We make it this way, so that we don't need to do that every time. Okay. Oops. Well, no. Ah, yeah, it's a shared resource. It's. Ah. This is the classical case of on a to-do list thing where I think I will accomplish this in 5 minutes max. 5 years later. Yeah. Okay. So, but it's not that bad. We just need to make this resource unique for each and every I've accomplished my goal. Aha. I see. So, okay. I can imagine you have some kind of like timer running, like how many minutes or hours have I stolen Haru's time? Am I right? Am I right? You will be gone in the credits, yeah? Right? Alright. Would have shipped this game half a year before. Lol. Okay. Yeah, make this style box unique. Which means really taking the style box, exactly this, and style box. Is that duplicate? Yeah, sub resource is true. And then just say, oh my gosh, there should be some kind of. Do we have to remove that? I guess. Again in the control panel shenanigans. So there is a add theme overrides, stylebox override. So I guess we need to add that new style box there, and then we have that. So we need to remove that old first and then add the new one. Remove theme style box override. I guess, and then add theme style box override panel new style box. Or wait, can we just do this like this? Make unique. Does it work? It should. It should do exactly the same thing. Does it work? Maybe. If not, then not. No. Well, let's do this. If it doesn't work, then I cry. Then I don't know what to do. Scheiße. Wow. Do I have to give a new name for that? This shouldn't be. I mean, this duplicate is for resource. It duplicates a resource and gives a new resource. Let me see what. Wait, no. Oh, wait. You know the games which has time in the end screen. That's me. Yeah, true. Oh, what a roller coaster of emotions this is, right? Happy, fun, and all of a sudden rage quitting. So, So duplicate, and this is for the sub resources. If there is something like if this a color is also a resource. No, it's a property. Well, it is what is color? It is its own class. Yeah, no, it's just a variable. It is not a resource. So I have no idea. New style box. And oh, of course, yeah, because we referred to that old style box and not on the new one. Yeah. So we should do this. So like this is referring to the old one, and then we make a duplicate of it, and it changes it, and then we get the new one. So now if it doesn't work, then I go. Give me a break, Godot. This cannot be that. I'm so glad I didn't do this last time. You know, I was able to smell this. That this is gonna happen. Something like this is gonna happen. Well, what if I say like panel 2? Classical trial and error. Okay, now we don't get anything. Okay, that's a good sign, kinda. Well, actually, it's not. Actually, this is all nonsense what I'm doing. So we added override. We could save this resource. We could load this resource and place it like programmatically here. That's an option. Okay, let's debug this. The debugger should say like what does the debugger get? Is this the same reference to this style box? And this should be run like 5 times, so we can just progress further and further and check what kind of reference we get. And it's of course it should be the same. At least we got some nice debugging music. So okay, go. Stylebox is whatever, -922 3 and then we make a new stylebox. No, wait. Okay, it has unique identifier, so it should be the same. Then we remove the style box. We add the new one. And now after this step, the new style box reference and the old style box reference should be the same. So there were 2233 blah 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 to 7227. Well, they are not. What is going on? Yeah, you see that number changes. It should be the new one, new style box. They should be the same. Oh, I forgot to do that multiple times. Okay, yeah. 4434. Yeah, it is still the same. It's still the same. I mean, it is the same and it should be the same. Ay. Ah. And then now somewhere, some games in where is this main menu? We have these panels here. And we have somewhere there is these things overrides, but I cannot see them anywhere here. Oh well, there is a style box, member style box, but this is... Yeah, I don't know, maybe it doesn't update like when I say here add theme override and it needs to run some kind of engine blah 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 and then it's update and then we get theme stylebox. It should not be that way. I mean, it should update immediately, but it doesn't. So if we say we want to update it like every time, no, didn't help. Okay, and at this point, I'm throwing the towel, and we are gonna check out like how is this done. Duplicate. How was it called? Theme style box. Theme style box. We have an issue. GitHub issue using GDScript to create another style box to a node. Is this closed? Yeah. Oh, this is requested. Some duplicates, some block, and it's completed. Huh. Yeah, it's the same problem. Like they try to add style box override, and they get the same reference. Huh. I see you found a solution. Oh, there is answer. There is answer. The issue was that I was using the wrong team type. According to docs, the correct type is panel. Yeah, okay, we could do that. Do it this way. Do it that. Dish dash dish. That way too. Okay, and here is a C-sharp version how to override. Oh. Should we do that too? Like, introduce the variable as stylebox flat. Like, over here. Flat. No, wait. Oh yes, yeah. But it should be this the same type. I don't understand because this is stylebox flat. This. Okay, well, yes. Duplicate as stylebox flat. Can we do that actually too? Like, I think this should not change anything. Oh no. It is a stylebox flat, so it is. But then the question is, does this add theme stylebox allow for stylebox flat? What was the thing? I understand. We are not applying the theme to the right thing. That's the thing. Look here, we have to put it to the panel and not to this. Oh, shit. Okay, well happens. So, these functions, they are changing style, well, the theme style box of song panel and not panel container. So, we need to remove that. And now the question, is it still panel or is it something else? It should be. Because we got the panel's style box and it was correct. So we remove that and then we take this and then we add it once more and yeah, maybe that was it, because of course the style box is something completely different here. Let's see. Yes. Okay, it works. Fine. I want to change the alpha setting here a little bit. For the gray it's fine, but for that teal color it's not transparent enough. So yeah, I guess this is good. Okay. Check. Alright. Next up, sound effects for the metronome enemies. Okay, so we... can't remember anymore how that scene is called. Oh... game manager? No. It's either in enemy. I'm so badly organized. That's terrible. Enemy base. There is problem playing sound effects for these special kind of enemies. I think one of which is right in the beginning of yeah, on the run. So we can use on the run beat chart for debugging. There is a slight problem. And I guess it's somehow connected to this. So I say the hit volume is first super low. Super low, and I guess what I wanted to do is if the player hits perfect hit, then there is the volume will be ramped up, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work good. Somebody said problem. Yeah, possibly maybe. So this is probably the culprit here. And then this code is very badly organized. But it's kind of doesn't matter because it's still, you know, under 1,000 lines. No, it wasn't this. It wasn't graphics manager. It was some kind of. It was maybe beat manager, game manager. I think game manager. No, not game manager. How about beat manager? Oh. No. It's certainly not that. Oh, come on, I'm lost in my own project. Nobody can help me. Absolutely nobody. Should I feed this whole project to ChatGPT and say, find that place where the enemy sound is put to normal volume? Well, find in files. Look at this. We have fancy search function. Hooray, Haru. You are making progress. You learned maybe something. Alright, what was it? It was enemy base. Hit volume. So it's probably using the same signal bus hit vol. So if we search for all hit vols, then maybe we find hit vol. And no shaders. Okay, yeah, it is. Audio manager. Ah, yes, of course, it's in a player script. Oh, look how fancy this is. I love it. Why do I learn this after 4 or 5 years of using Godot? I'm such an idiot. Oh my god. That's my problem, you know, ladies and gentlemen. That's my problem. I don't know. Sometimes I just I kind of procrastinate on learning stuff. Or maybe procrastinate is not the correct word. Maybe it's like afraid to learn stuff. And that's nonsense, you know. It's, or maybe I'm lazy. Maybe it's a combination of being lazy, afraid, and who knows what else. So yeah, this must be it. Because here we check if delta time is wait, this is for good. And this is for perfect. I think it is this line right here. don't really understand. Why do I need this own audio playing thing for? For that metronome thing. Like this. All right, let's just try it without this, and maybe without this either, because then there is just like double the punch, which just increases the sound volume. So let's see. I guess it's fixed. And well, this is the original, and I guess there was no sound at all. Yeah, there was just like almost like nothing. So yeah, we can just comment this out and it should be good. I like the movement of the enemies during the click sound. Yeah, I sort of borrowed that. Okay, let me tell you a better idea. This is, I'm more or less pissing now on my own feet now, but there is a maybe even better game than that. Wait, Project Rocher. This is a Roblox game. The style is very much what I'm doing, but this is and I think I got the idea out of this Project Rusher. Oh, you see, there was this kind of tuck. Oh, I would love to have that kind of effect. This is all 3D, so it's easy to make all of these angles and stuff to it. Exactly this, I want that. Exactly this. First going a little bit to the right, kind of like anticipation, and then smash everything towards the player. Push. Yeah, but honestly, this is quite nice rhythm game. So if you have Roblox, this is free to play. This is pretty much the only Roblox experience I've had. I just went and played it. But yeah, it's also my inspiration to this little game here. So I would say sound effects for metronome enemies is check. Then for some reason this enemy How can this be? Let's see. This enemy right here has sound. Yeah, this mash sound, and it's too loud. Let's see what the default levels would be. Huh? What? This guy doesn't even have a audio stream player. What is this? Okay, it's based on enemy base, and all right, I see. We don't need this anymore. This is just a leftover from like very many months ago. So we could actually delete that. So in case of death, we just take this away. And that's it, I guess. I'm just hoping to see the zombie girl at some point. Ah, it's not there. I just need that one single enemy. Maybe it's there. Ay. Ah, yes. Okay, now the sound effect is there. That's cool. Cannot be true. I just need one single enemy type, and we need to. We need to add one, just that I can test one. I mean, it's not a problem if there is none, but... there is one more thing, actually, which is off, and it can be easily fixed. And that is the combo counter is broken. Alright, so... Okay, just really quick. We can put some... Oh, it's called Zombie Girl, isn't it? Isn't it? Zombie Girl. Yeah, it's Zombie Girl. Okay, just, yeah, clone the track. Just testing. Oh... Yeah, let's make this... Just one debug enemy. Yeah, I should have made a debug level where each and every enemy is there. But it's too late. Yes, okay, that was fine. This is fine. Good. Fixed. Export back. Yes. Good. So then... To-do list. That should be fine. The combo counter is broken. It's, again, a really easy, fast fix. No, come on. And it's this one. Okay. As far as I can remember, we can recheck this maybe from YouTube, but in Mustache, for example, in Mustache, maybe in every other rhythm games, if you miss... Oh, no, you don't miss, but if your hit accuracy after a combo, which is like multiple times in a row, perfect, and then you get good or missed, your combo counter doesn't reset, right?
I'm so hyped. I'm sorry, I'm so excited.
Oh yeah, she's just getting perfect. Yeah, go away. Come on, can we just get someone who's not getting full combo, like full combo? No, I don't. I just want some not perfect. Getting better.
What's up YouTube, Leon here, and today, let's get good at another rhythm game. And that, of course, options out of the way first. You can actually have up to 4 buttons per input. 4 is a little overkill, but have at least 2 buttons per input. This is very important for things. It'll help you out in the long run. And finally, in the display screen.
Yes. But I just don't know when it resets. Amused as your combo counter resets when you miss a note, take a damage, or fail hit an enemy. Alright. To maintain your combo, you must successfully hit all notes and defeat all enemies. I see. Okay, thanks, HG. Alright. Okay, so this fact is backed up by HG and Key. What? Okay. So, instead of saying if hit accuracy is perfect, we say if hit accuracy is missed. Yeah, we could push it there. Well, then we update the combo counter to 0. Previously it was if it was not perfect, then we reset the combo counter. And now that we know how to do this everywhere, we could just check. Yeah, this is also nonsense. Why do you have multiple instances of same code? That's me using the copy-paste coding. Okay, that's that. That's fixed. This is old code. But yeah, we will just... Naughty, yeah. I presume I won't receiving that much Christmas present this year. This is the 3D player. No, this is also nonsense. If accuracy is missed. Okay, so now it should be fixed pretty much everywhere. Wait. What was in the combo counter? Okay, now I missed, alright. Oh, wait. Okay, now it was 1. I just want to see if I reset it in the beginning of the level. So if it's now 1, it's broken. No, it's fine. Wait a second. Did you see the same thing I saw? It was 14 and it jumped to 16. What the fuck? What? This one is hard. Yeah, it's spicy and I like it. It went... Ah, god. Okay, now I missed. Yeah, okay. Oh no, I messed up 122. I think it should be okay. I think it should be okay. But I don't know. That's yeah. It's just the font. It's kind of messed up. If it goes to I think it like 90 something, then it looks messed up. I love the effects. Yeah, right. But okay. There is one thing on my to-do list, and it's design choice. Combo counter is now less broken, so let's check. Okay, so there is this pretty popular video for affection addiction. And I was inspired by this music, animation or music video. Okay, flashing lights, yeah. So I was inspired by this glitchy look, right? This pixelated look. I don't know how they did it. Some kind of animator did it probably, but... And particularly this animation is just too good. And not this one, but this one. Yeah, right. So I was thinking, how about quantizing those colors permanently, like all the time? Because here I was setting this, well, posterize, like put this effect to be permanent there. We could test that pretty simply by making a very long note. Like there is in the introduction, in the first minute maybe. I'm posterizing. And then for the last part, last minute. So we could check out how it feels, just simply putting, I don't know, some very long note. Just extending this, and if it doesn't look good, then we just delete that. Whoop. Yeah. Oh no. I cannot close that window. Hey, come on. Hello? Okay. Oh no. I think that's not supposed to be like this. I want to move this window. I cannot move it anymore. Alright, whatever. And, well, I don't know, should I make a... Yes, I think it would be better to make alternative visuals. Make its own map. So the enemies are, they stay the same, but their visual effects will be different. So there is this impact hit which creates this kind of what is this, pressure wave effect. And I have two kinds of, or two variants. I have this pressure wave and I have this pixel bounce. And I feel like this pixel bounce effect suits much better. Or I should use that throughout the song. So... Oh yeah, I should save this too as some kind of alternative visuals project. So everything which is here underneath impact hit goes there to the pixel bounce. It's here, paste. Impact hit 34 here, like there. All right. This goes here, this goes here, and then this is online with that one. All right, right. And then I think two more. This is and then that goes to the 93, about there. Oh wait, no. Huh? What, wait. Oh no, it should be fine, okay. So, let's export this alternative visuals. We need to change that in the bitmap data. Load new MIDI file from music. Oh, this one. Affection, addiction, alternative visuals, mid. Hi Rachel, welcome in, how are you? Now, okay, now we have these alternative visuals. Now we can check out what is better, all posterized or just or mix up of posterized effects. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go. Why? Why did that happen? Wait a second. Oh wait, I think I know maybe why. There was a glitch onto the player sprite. There was a glitch and not that glitch. Ah yes, that one, maybe. Because this says like, okay, now stop posterizing, go back to normal, but I don't know if that's somehow messing things up. Okay, I'm just taking that away. Okay, matching the length, alright. This is again, this window is just, it is not in the right, correct position. Okay. New try. Ah, I forgot to... Did I export this? I think not. Okay, now it should be exported. Let's see. I'm a little bit confused here. Okay, yeah, that's the correct mid file. Oh, here we go. One more time.
jump, I get to attach. But I feel hard, who can blame me for that? When I knew right from the jump, it was the perfect match. That I learned my lesson, started playing by the rules. All that self-improvement, now going no with one look. The really eye, homie, cause just by tonight, watching ours.
I have no idea. I have no idea why that happens. This coding session must be somehow cursed because I'm having troubles all the time. Absolutely all the time. Crap. I wonder if I'm edited the correct mid file. Or if I saved this, if that's the problem that I didn't save this. Like that. That might be the case, because I just added this and I didn't touch the resource before. I mean afterward, not before. Okay, now it's there. Alright. It's just to check that things are correct. I just want to make this original file like it was before. So this is the baseline. This is the correct one. The original one. And this is with alternate style. Okay. Yeah, excuse me for looping the level over and over again, but I just need to figure out what the problem was. I hope it was just this saving issue. Here we go again.
Jump, I get to attach. But I feel hard, who can blame me for that? When I knew right from the jump, it was the perfect match. That I learned my lesson, started playing by the rules. All that self-improvement, now going no with one look. The really eye, homie, cause just by tonight, watching out.
No idea. I have no idea what's going on. Happens sometimes. Okay. Restore the original. Okay, I will ramp the music down a bit because this is probably just annoying.
Jump, I get to attach. But I feel hard, who can blame me for that? When I knew right from the jump, it was
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I just don't understand why here it happens, although it shouldn't. Well, how about, because I said I want just to posterize all the time pretty much with the same effect, if I just put this thing here and don't touch it anymore. Just expand, 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 expand. Until there. Well, I think I might know what the problem is. The thing is, this one node defines the duration of this effect, this posterize effect, reduction of the colors. And when it stops, I say play that animation which ramps the colors back to normal. That's something we did last week. And of course, when I say I put nodes or I kind of alter that posterization level periodically, then we get those nodes off or event off events, which are signals then in Godot, and that animation is actually played all the time in the background. So I might want just to disable that. Okay, but later. So this theoretically should work. Alternative visuals. Yes. Good. And alternative visuals. Yes. And we save that. Alright, so now it should be fine. Should be. Oh, wait. There is two mid files. That's the problem. Alternative. What is even the difference between these two? Alternative. And I've taken the wrong one. Ah, shit. That's the correct one. Oh, come on. I feel so stupid again. Oh my god. That was like 15 minutes banging my head against the wall.
Thinking I was worthy of your love.
Alright, necessary time for my dinner. I will lurk. Thanks for the lurk. Thanks for the lurk. Have a great rest of the stream. Thanks, HE, for hanging out and have a nice dinner. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. I think I won't stream too much more, I guess. I will experiment a little bit more. So, let's see. There was one problem I just recognized. And that the problem is we cannot use this glitch and posterize at the same time. That won't work because there are two different shaders. And if I enable them both at the same time, then bad things happen. Well, the simplest, I didn't like those effects that much. The simplest version would be just to erase them. No. Just take them away. Tuck, tuck, tuck. And leave it like that. I felt like this was maybe too harsh. Posterization effect. This might be a little bit better. Tube. And now I just want to erase that. Duplicate. And that is this alternative, and this is alternative. This is the original, this is the wrong one. Goodbye. Okay. Was there? Oh, wait. I guess I didn't even export. Wait. There's one thing which... It seems to me that this effect, this posterization effect, it changes. Although I have set it just to a single value, alright? Like see here, the shades. I'm not exactly sure. It feels a little bit better, this alternative style. And this is the original. Oh, damn it. Yeah, not sure. Not sure. Maybe I flip a coin. So on our to-do list, at least we have experimented with that, so that's a check. Oh, so then we have the introduction animation at credits and find suitable font. I would like to use the Balatro font. Balatro font. If maybe it's some kind of open font. True type. Okay, it's open font license, so let's go. Do we have a copyright? This font software is licensed under blah blah blah. Yeah. OTF. I'm not sure if oh wait. No, wait. Wait, not this. We need true type because Godot doesn't support open type. Yeah, okay, that should be better. That should be better. Extract, and we want that to go underneath. Godot games, rhythm game. I hope I do have fonts. I do. Okay. Extract, go there. And we have Balatro. Okay, let's see how that works. That was my gut feeling to select for fonts, but let's see. Then we have main menu. Not main menu, intro. Intro scene new. I guess it was this one. Yes, alright. So we do have an intro kind of first thing player sees, and it looks like this. Let's play this one once. Yeah, and I would like to put some credits to that scene. Let's see. So I would need some kind of label which pans from right to left, goes, then disappears to the left. And I just realized that I made a huge mistake. I didn't pull the GitHub repository of this project, and I've made some changes to the project elsewhere, so I need to somehow fix that. Just okay. Let me see if I can. Let's see what happens. Okay, fetching the origin. Pull origin. Oh no, we have overwritten. We have song panel. We have scene. What is in the song panel? Oh, that's. Hmm. Well, these two files are critical. The city background. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I would like to see the difference somehow, but I don't know how to do that. Okay, wait. Ay. Like, what did I change here on the city background? I have a feeling I didn't change anything. And this is from the last. Oh shit! Oh man, I need to somehow fix this. I need to fix this. This is bad. This is very, very bad. I forgot to commit stuff. Then I made edits on my in the same machine, but on the different account. The thing is, I want to. This is like the local repository I would like to push. I would like to use. That's some sound effects which I added. Just a few sound effects, and some minor changes I made to. Some minor changes I made to okay, close that. To the introduction. Otherwise it's... Oh no. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, the animations, all that stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna do that on stream. That would be too much. I guess that would be too much. Well, I think that's then enough of game dev for one afternoon. I think this is kind of good point to stop. So let's see. We got almost through everything we wanted to do. Yes. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye, AG. Just before I press stop streaming or go to that stream over screen, I just wanted to think about like what is still missing. I got so distracted from that GitHub thing. Oh no. But let's see. From the game itself, actually, there's not that much. So, for the grand plan, what I have planned for the game is to wrap it up as soon as I can. There was a hair in my mouth. So, after I have finished this introduction, credits, everything, fixed that GitHub issue, and then made that animation, the credit stuff. Well, there is this one kind of important thing which should be added. Never mind if it doesn't look that good. There should be options menu, like things like SFX volume, music volume, whatever there might be in options. I'm not sure. Latency, offset, manual adjustment, maybe something like that. Oh, but other than that, yeah, introduction done, options menu done, and I would then call this game a game. this project again. Okay, fine. I will go and check out how our dinner is doing. Thanks AG for hanging out, keeping me company. That's very nice from you. I wish you all very, very nice rest of the Sunday. And behold, I have a streaming schedule. Every Sunday is now a stream. Should be. Yeah, I wish you all great time. Nice time. Take care of yourself. Yes. Back to the good days of streaming almost like 3 times a week. Now it's just 1 time a week. I try to keep up with this schedule. It's a nice routine, getting some things done. So, but now it's time to say bye-bye. Bye-bye.